Hi everyone, thank you for visiting our Aniise channel. Today we come to you with a new product that we just created. We've worked about 2 months on this product. Ever since the coronavirus started really taking off and everybody was very worried, and we're all worried about washing hands, and so were we. We were washing our hands all the time, using the hand sanitizers, and then we thought, okay, our hands are getting very dry, and how do we moisture it? And so we decided to come up with a product that is a 2-in-1 hand and body lotion. The 2 is the hydrating part. The 1 is the hydrating part, which is the lotion. It's got coconut oil, it's got collagen, it's got avocado oil and vitamin E. And the second part of this is that we added alcohol, 25% alcohol to this product to help fight some of the bacteria while having some hydration at the same time. It is a very, very soft cream, but it does a lot. It actually hydrates a lot, so you need very little, and you can use it on your hand and body to fight the bacteria. The smell is lavender. We chose lavender because lavender is very calming, and during these times, God knows, we all need to feel a little bit of calmness. We hope you love it. We hope you're safe. And I wanted to tell you that they come in 3 different sizes of 2, 4, and 8 ounces. We hope you love them. We hope you use them. We hope you're safe, and we hope to see you soon.